Noddy here. I'm now actually leaving Malaysia this morning. I'm driving with a man from Penang up through Georgetown, up through north, up to Thailand, and then up into Haiyin. I'm going to show you on the map. We're starting here in Georgetown, and then we're going to work our way up through the border up to here with Thailand. Hopefully I've got all the paperwork all together. Just got to fill some forms in, head through Yala up here, and then up finally up here to Songkhla, where we should be in about 8 hours' time. (8:08), 2 hours to the border, so should be there for around about 10 o'clock. Passport, insurance, documents, everything on board. Let's hope this is okay. Beautiful morning here in Georgetown, Malaysia. And this is the last time we'll see the clock tower. Bye bye, clock tower. 'Yeah, you have a good day, yeah? You're right. Thank you. Will do. Oh, 2 fingers, this one's?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, like that?
Okay, done.
They're done? Very good. Thank you, sir. Hello. Go. Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Okay. Okay, border's done. The border is done. Okay, here we go. Through the border. Through the border we go. Thank you. But off we go. Welcome to Thailand.
Hai chưa? Anh chưa? Rồi. Dạ rồi.
Hai chơi.
Hai chơi.
Đấy, hai chơi.
Hai chơi. Oh, get me off this thing. I do love you.